Hello and welcome to Ben Max Motors. Here today we have a 2015 Volvo V40, which is a 2 litre D3 SE model. It is a diesel manual in blue. Comes in with just over 57,000 miles. Has a full service history and is a very well maintained car. Also comes with £2,825 worth of factory fitted extras, £35 road tax for the year. Moving inside, has full electric windows, electric mirrors, light settings, and as you can see, just over 57,000 miles there on the clock. It is a stop start button. Entertainment system with the radio, media for your phone connectivity, climate control, menu buttons for the radio. As mentioned, it is a manual 6-speed with a manual handbrake, 2 cup holders in the centre console with extra storage under the armrest. Does also have parking sensors along with auto start and stop, speed limiter and cruise control. Height and seat adjustments on the front seats. Again, very nice, clean and tidy car. Extra storage on the back of the front seats there too, along with 2 cup holders on the middle seat. Also armrest there. These are also a 60-40 split on the back seats with adjustable headrests. Nice size boot for all the bits and bobs that you need to put in here. Spare wheel, safety cone, plenty of space in there for your shopping. Glove compartment with the locking wheel nut. Also some extra storage behind here, behind the entertainment system. Again, very nice car, this one. Nice and clean engine bay. And there we have it, 2015 Volvo V40 D3 SE model, 2 litre diesel manual in blue. Thank you for watching.